beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, make sure you guys are subscribed and click that bell to be notified every single time I upload. But summer is right around the corner and I just received my summer box from FabFitFun. I am partnering with FabFitFun again for this video to share with you what's inside of this bad boy. She is super pretty, isn't she? You guys know I love FabFitFun. I've shared them on my channel numerous times and I did their spring box, so I'll link that video down below. But if you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it is just a seasonal subscription box with full-size products of fashion, beauty, lifestyle, fitness products. And each box every season is $49.99 but has a value of over $200. If you guys use my code NicolettaXO, you can get $10 off of your box. So I will have the link down below for you guys to check out, as well as the discount code. Also, I did want to tell you that they are now shipping to the UK, so all my UK viewers out there, you can get your FabFitFun. You can also customize some of the items that will be in your box. You can choose which ones you kind of want to have, which is great because you're going to get the products that you love. I will have all my socials, everything down below, so definitely check it out. But let's just jump into it because I literally have been waiting so long to receive this and I'm so happy. It also says on the box that it is in support of Global Gift Foundation USA, which is Girls in Action Alliance, with the Eva Longoria Foundation. Ooh, I love that. She's looking pretty, so let's get into it. I should not be allowed to have scissors. Oh, got it. Okay, perfect. This is what she's looking like. The aesthetic is way too cute. So in any FabFitFun box that you purchase, it comes with their little catalog. So this is the summer catalog and there's Eva Longoria, sorry, I totally butchered that. Inside, it just tells you all of the items that you're receiving, how much everything's worth, and all of that good stuff. We'll definitely go through that. Then we get just an $80 card off of HelloFresh, which is always good. I just did a video mentioning HelloFresh, which if you guys haven't seen my night routine, link down below. I'm obsessed. This kind of sounds like an ASMR right now, crinkling papers. This is what my box looks like inside. There's so many goodies. I can't wait to just jump into it. I'm super excited for these two products. The first thing I see is the Sol Janeiro Brazilian for Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel, which, this scent is godly. And then it also came with the Sol de Janeiro Fast Absorbing Body Cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. And I'm going on vacation soon, so I'm gonna need this. These are a value of $45. I've been wanting to actually get this from Sephora, so I'm so happy that I got it in my box. And actually, this is one of the items that I customized and I made sure to get because you know I was on that. Ooh, what is this? Let's do a little ASMR. ASMR NicolettaXO coming to a channel near you soon. These are called the Adomi, I believe that's how you're saying it. Probably not because I butcher everything. Silicone wine glasses. This is so cool. You best believe I am going to use this in the summertime. $25 they retail for. I've never heard of silicone wine glasses before. And I love the color. This is just, you guys know what I feel about this color already. I'm so excited about that. Ooh. So the next thing I see is this Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I love that it's purple. This retails for $39, which I love face masks, so I can never have too many. You guys know my collection. It's a little bit of a problem, but this one says that it refines, it brightens, illuminates, and it nurtures, and I've never actually heard of this brand, so I'm super excited. It says that it has plums, which is really cool. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with this and I'll let you guys know how I like it. It's supposed to be tightening, so we love a good tightening mask. The next thing that I see is the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. It says it smooths and exfoliates. So this is what the bottle looks like. I've actually never heard of this brand or this is why I love FabFitFun. It really gets you to try different brands, different products, which I really like. And this says that it's super fine treatment, gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores. So this actually retails for $57. Ooh, girl, you expensive. This alone is more than the box, especially if you guys use my code NicolettaXO. Your box is only going to be $39.99, which is crazy. So you're getting so much for that price, and it's definitely worth it. I'm so excited to try this. I actually don't have an exfoliant right now. I ran out, so this is going to come in handy. Speaking of masks, I see this one. This one's just catching my eye, and it is the exfoliating foot mask. Your girl needs some foot products, let me tell you, because they are looking rough. This is what it looks like. Looks so luxurious. I can smell the coconut already. Yes. This is $32. I actually need this in my life. FabFitFun has hooked me up with all the pamper feels. The next thing I see is the I Do liquid liner, and it's in black. Love a good black liner. This retails for $22. Let's get it out. Just like a felt tip pen, which I absolutely love. And I think the packaging is just so on point. Packaging just always gets me. And then I see a couple more things. So I see these hair ties, which I love. This is the Invisible Bobble Original. So these are the original kind of like hair ties that don't give you the little crease in your hair. These retail for $16, and it just comes with a nude one, which I love, and then the white kind of like clear one. And I can never have too many hair ties because I lose them so much. I've never used regular hair ties since switching on to these, so you can never have too many. The next thing I see is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray, which I am so obsessed with. This is such a big size. This retails for $25.95. Rose sprays have so many benefits for the skin, so I'm really excited about this. You guys know I love a good rose spray. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. This is what it looks like. Let's try it. It says it's hydrating. We need a good hydration. Oh, yes. I love rose sprays for the skin. I definitely recommend adding it into your skincare routine because it does so many amazing things to the skin. And then the last thing, which is one of the items that I customized as well and wanted in my box, is the 1-1 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. So these are sheet masks, and I love a good sheet mask. That has been my new obsession lately, and I really needed more because I've been running out of them. But guys, this retails for $160. I don't know if this is gonna give me a new face or what, but when I saw that, I was like, I need this in my life. Why is it so expensive? I need to try this on my skin. I'll show you what one packet looks like. Just comes in like this rose gold package, which I love. And it says that it diminishes the appearance of lines and wrinkles, reinforces and protects skin barrier function, helps brighten and even your skin tone, and rejuvenates and nourishes your skin. Yes, 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 I need this all. I'll let you guys know how this goes. I really think I need to do a pamper routine featuring all these products because I'm gonna have so much fun trying everything out. Let me know if you guys want to see that. That is all that is in my box. I am so happy. I love everything I got. Let me know if you guys have ever tried out FabFitFun. And if you guys haven't, make sure you guys check the link down below. And if you use my discount code, like I said, NicolettaXO, it will get you $10 off your box. So definitely try it out. It is by far my favorite subscription service out there. You are getting so much value for your dollar, and they are all full-size amazing products. I was obsessed with the spring box, and honestly, I don't know. I think the summer box might beat it now. So don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as turn on the bell so you're notified every single time I upload. And on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!